In what could leave eastern India choking for resources, China's top leadership is pondering over a proposal to dig a 1,000-kilometer long tunnel to divert the waters of the Brahmaputra from Tibet to its dry Xinjiang region. Now, the tunnel would be the world's longest and could be decided upon by March 2018. Let's go across to our National Affairs editor, Srinjoy Chaudhary, who is joining us with more information. Srinjoy, in 2010, China assured that no big dam projects will be built. It is going back on that assurance.
Well, China has built dams, but these are run-of-the-river dams, essentially to produce electricity. Now, what China is saying that it will divert water to the north where it needs the water. But the problem with India is that it would really starve India. It will also starve Bangladesh of water. Now, both countries are talking about this issue. The important problem that India faces is the fact that unlike with Pakistan, where there is an Indus Water Treaty, there is no treaty on the Brahmaputra, or the Tsangpo as the Chinese call it, with China. India will have to sort of deal with this issue in a different way.